Hey guys, it's E3PO, and I'm having some trouble with some water. For some reason, no matter how hard I try, I cannot get this water to work. I have a little jail level that I'm working on right now, and I can do a little walkthrough of it just to show you kind of what it looks like. You got the spawn room here. Just got some basic lighting. Also, if anybody can do lighting, please contact me on Steam. My Steam ID is portalgod, all one word. So we just got this basic little jail level here. Won't show you guys too much. Just some fun stuff here. And I got a pool, soccer, so far, race, wall climb, death pit, shower. Wall climb is an idea I just came up with. You'll see how it works in the end. Got a little race arena here. Works out pretty good. Got some showers back in here. And of course my famous death room that I have in every single one of my maps. It's pretty much just a big hole with a big trigger hurt. I've got some more lighting, just kind of newbie lighting. Nothing really fancy with the lights. Okay, now let's go over to here. This is just a what do you call it? A big swimming pool, pretty much, that I ripped from. What did I rip it from? KA Water Pool 2007. That's the link. Anyway, as you can see, when I try to create, I got this over here, I do a no draw texture. I've looked through so many freaking tutorials about this. Anyway, no draw texture. This entire little water area. And pretty much fits just how I want it to fit. And then that goes all the way down to there. And then I create it. Actually, I'm going to make it go a little bit farther up. Just like that, so I can select it easy. Just like that. And then I select the top face, and I give it nature, water, canals, water, clear. Now, I know that that water works because I did this little water test here, and this works fine in game. If I build with the these settings, it runs fine in game. So I was wondering why it wouldn't work fine in this game. And I've also got this texture over here as well in the soccer portion of the map. Yikes. Okay. Right there. If I move it over, you can see it's just like a hole and some water in it. Also, for the example that I did, the water test example, the entire thing was the water texture with no draws. So that's what this box will be, and then I'll just show you the difference between both of the boxes in game. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and build this. Normal, no. Should only take a few seconds. I've been looking all over levels and different levels, how they're doing it, and on source website, how they're doing it. YouTube just cannot figure it out. So it looks like that built. Hopefully the FPS won't be too laggy. And also I'm having this client timeout error that's kind of pissing me off. I already deleted my Steam blob file in the Steam program files directory. That didn't help at all. Tried restarting my computer, etc, etc, etc. So I just got the little fade in here. As you can see in the camera, that water already doesn't work. So we got all this stuff. We got the little race arena, blah 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 blah. Client timeout. That pisses me off. Okay, let's go directly to the water, shall we? Okay, see, that doesn't work. But if you go under it, you can obviously see there's water there. That doesn't work right yet. We'll work on that later. And then if I come back all the way over to here, this water doesn't work as well, but it works under it. I cannot figure out what the heck the problem is. Now, you might be wondering how I'm sealing my levels. Each level has a big skybox around it, pretty much. I've also tried putting each level with a no draw box and a skybox, and I've tried inverting which ones are which. I've tried putting a big no draw and then a big skybox. I've tried so many different ways to close off the levels so that there's no like big open spaces that go to the outside world. And someone told me to try to load up my point file, so edit or map load point file. As you can see, that's really not helpful at all. It's just kind of a big line in the middle of nowhere in my map, not really pointing at anything. It's just kind of there. Doesn't really do anything. So that's kind of pointless. And if I go up to here and I do check for problems, pretty much none of these really, I don't think. Invalid solid structure. Oh, that shouldn't really matter. Perpendicular to face. I don't really see anything that would cause a... Don't want to click on that one. Let's see what happens if I was to fix these. Fix that one. Trigger teleport has bad IO connections. That solved that one. Solved that one. Delete. Hopefully I'm not running out of time on my video here. Okay, that should do that. Let's just try reloading this up now. Oops, wrong one there. Holy crap. Fix those. Use key type solid. Let's fix those. Angles. Logic relay. Weapon knife. Unused key values spawn flags. Fix those. And use both capital lower left. Okay. So now when I look in here, check for problems, I should have no problems other than that, which obviously don't want to click on that one. So let's try rerunning this and we'll see if that helped at all. Most likely not. And there we go. If it loads up, jeez. Just wanted to thank you for taking the time looking through this video. As you can see, that water obviously isn't working. So I guess that's the end of this video. If you have any idea why this is doing this, please, for the love of God, email me, e3po@wmclan.net, or hit me up on Steam, portalgod, xfire is e3po bot, MSN, same thing. Thank you very much.